My name is Elena. I am 35 years old. I have one son. His name is Matteo. He is 10 years old. For 10 years, I raised him alone. I gave him food. I gave him love. I gave him everything I had. But I could not give him his father. Diego was his father. He knew about Matteo, but he built another life, a wife, a daughter, a home, and I stayed in the shadows. I told myself, it's okay. I can do this. I am strong. And for many years, I was. But lately, I am tired. I am sick. My body is weak. I try to work, but I cannot work enough. I tried to smile, but Matteo sees my pain. At night, I hear him whisper, "Why don't I have a dad like other kids?" And I have no answer. I just hold him and say, "You are loved. You are enough." But inside, I cry because I know he needs more. He needs Diego, not just a name, not just a secret, a father. One evening, I called Rosa. My hands were shaking. My voice was weak. I said, "I can't do this alone anymore. Matteo needs help. He needs his father." She was silent for a long time. Then she whispered, "I know." Her voice was heavy with guilt. I said, "I don't want to break his family. I don't want to destroy his marriage. But Matteo deserves more than this silence. He deserves to be seen." It was the hardest call of my life, to ask for help, to open the door to pain. But I had no choice, because Matteo comes first. I don't know what Luciana will think of me. I don't know if she will hate me. Maybe she will. Maybe she already does. But I pray she will see my heart. I don't want her husband. I don't want her life. I only want a father for my son. I live in fear and hope. Fear of their anger. Hope for Matteo's future. Because one thing is true. Secrets hurt, but silence hurts more.
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.